Hey, what's up guys? Alan here with Sonic Electronics, and today we're looking at the all-new Belva BPS6RGB. This is an all-in-one sound system that's designed for like UTV, ATV, Powersport applications. Heck, you can plug it into your car and use it for tailgating. But this is a fully weatherproof, dual 6.5-inch coaxial speakers with titanium dome tweeters, built-in 200-watt amplifier. This is a pretty robust plastic construction here, this tube. And what's really cool about it, besides the power 200-watt amplifier it's built into, is it also has Bluetooth. So all you gotta do is simply just pair your phone or whatever Bluetooth device you have to it, and you can play music. It does also support wired aux input connections as well. Of course, Bluetooth is gonna be way more popular. Now, it also is a little bit different than some of the other ones that are on the market. It also does offer RGB LED illumination. So both speakers have multiple different modes. You can have a static color, you can have a dynamic color, you can speed it up, slow it down, change the colors, you name it, you could do it. Of course, it comes with 4 heavy-duty mounting straps, so you want to strap this thing to your handlebars, which is a pretty popular application for a lot of ATVs. Now, like I said, it's all-in-one, but it's a simple plug-and-play install. So all you got to do is mount it, and then literally you can either plug it into a cigarette lighter, or it comes with an adapter where you can plug it in and just hardwire it. So it's really straightforward. But more importantly, we're gonna go ahead and give you a demo so you can hear what it sounds like. All right, so we went ahead and plugged it in, and now you can actually see the LED lights are on. We'll give you a quick demo. There's a couple different modes. You can speed up the lights. You can slow them down. You can select just a solid color like red there. So a lot of different modes straight from the controller, pretty easy. But more importantly, let's hit play and give you guys a quick demo. So as you can see, it sounds great, really nice and full. It's got some nice deep bass to it as well too. Definitely a great value. It gets relatively pretty loud, and it's simple and easy to install and use. Just plug it in, pair your phone, mount it, you're good to go. For more detailed information on this product, check out the link below. And of course, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. I'm Alan. We'll see you next time.